So let's walk through an example of how to create a RACI grid, taking our RACI running team as an example. Firstly, we need to write out all of the activities that the team have to deliver before the Olympics, which are just a month away. We have 5 specific activities that are centered around 3 different categories or tasks. Firstly, our runner needs to build their speed and agility, and to do so, they need a suitable track to race on close to the venue. They will also need better clothing, in particular better designed shoes to suit the environment. Secondly, our athlete will need a change of diet to improve their stamina and increase their performance on the track. And finally, the team, given that they have just appointed a new 5-year sponsor, will need to improve their overall team branding on all merchandising, as well as launch a social media campaign across all major channels. We now need to identify all roles within the team, as well as any external stakeholders. We have 6 different roles, starting with the star of the show, our runner. Our runner is surrounded by the team, including his head coach, the head nutritionist, and a physiotherapist. The 2 external stakeholders include the team's lead sponsor and their fan club membership. Now to populate our RACI chart, starting with finding a suitable running track. We would allocate this as follows: R for our runner, R for our head coach, and I for our health nutritionalist, C for our physiotherapist, I for our sponsor, and a blank for our fan club members. We continue to fill out the chart, and you can see that now at a glance, you can begin to start mapping each person's exact role and responsibilities. One rule of thumb is that there is only one A per task. However, someone must be accountable overall for the entire project or business function. In this case, it's our head coach. You can also see that not every space in the grid needs to be filled up. No need to allocate work just for the sake of it.